Okay, so here we shall explain the various types of matrices with examples for each type. So there are various types of matrices. The first type is the column matrix. Column matrix. So if a matrix has only one column, then it is called a column matrix. If a matrix has only one column, then it is called as column matrix. Suppose, for example, we have a matrix A, which is suppose 1 root 3 0 2. So it has one column and 4 rows. So this matrix A is of the order, matrix A is of the order 4 cross 1. So it means that a column matrix should be of the order m cross 1. So a column matrix should be of the order m cross 1. So it can have m number of rows and one column. So it should be of the order m cross 1. So here the matrix A is of the order 4 cross 1, and so it is a column matrix. So A is a column matrix. Then the next type of matrix is row matrix. So if a matrix has only one row, then it is called as a row matrix. If a matrix has only one row, then it is called as a row matrix. So a row matrix should be of the order 1 cross n. A row matrix should be of the order 1 cross n. Example, suppose we have the matrix B, which is minus 3 by 2, 4, root 2, 1. So here the matrix B, it has one row and 4 columns. So if it is of the order 1 cross n, it means that it should have one row and n number of columns. So here the matrix B, is of the order 1 cross 4, is of the order 1 cross 4. So the matrix B is a row matrix. Then the next type of matrix is a square matrix. So what is meant by a square matrix? So if the number of rows and the number of columns are the same, then it is called as a square matrix. So if a matrix has the same number of rows and columns, then it is called a square matrix. Then it is called a square matrix. It's called a square matrix. So if a matrix has n rows and n columns, so we can say that if a m cross n order matrix, if an m cross n order matrix is a square matrix, if an m cross n order matrix is a square matrix, then m should be equal to n. Then m should be equal to n. It means the number of rows should be equal to the number of columns. Then only we can say it is a square matrix. And so um, so if m cross n order matrix is a square matrix, then m should be equal to n. So then the order will be n cross n. The order will be n cross n, or we can say it is a square matrix of order n. We can also say it is a square matrix of order n. So a square matrix of order n, it means that it is a matrix of order n cross n. Suppose, for example, if we have the matrix A, which is like this, which is 3, -1, 0, √2, 2, 4, -6, 13, 1. So this matrix A, it is a square matrix. It is a square matrix of order 3. It is a square matrix of order 3. Since why? Since it has 3 rows and 3 columns. Since it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So it means that, we can say that the matrix A is of the order 3 cross 3. The matrix A is of the order 3 cross 3. Or it means we can say it is a square matrix of order 3. So now it means that a column matrix, we can summarize these three as a column matrix can be written as a column matrix can be written as A, which is equal to Aij n m cross 1 m cross 1. It means it is of the order m cross 1. It has m rows and 1 column. And then a row matrix can be written as as B, which is equal to we can write Bij. It is of the order 1 cross n. It means it has 1 row and n columns. So then a square matrix of the order n can be written as A, which is equal to Aij n cross n. So it should be of the order n cross n. Okay. Then there is something called as diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So a matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except the diagonal elements are zeros. A matrix is called a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix if all the elements except the the diagonal elements, if all the elements except the diagonal elements are zeros, are zeros. So, and it should be a square matrix also. So it means a square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except the diagonal elements are zeros. For example, if we have the matrix A, which is like this, 5 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 2. So here we can see that only the diagonal elements are not zeros and all the remaining ones are zeros. So it is so here A is a diagonal matrix of order 3. So A is a diagonal matrix of order 3, you can say. Then what is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix means, so a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are equal. A diagonal matrix is called as a scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is called a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are same. If all the diagonal elements are equal or the same, we can say. For example, we can say, suppose we have the matrix B, which is like this, which is 2 0 0 0 2 0 and 0 0 2. So hence here we can say, see that all the diagonal elements are equal. All the diagonal elements are equal. So B is a scalar matrix of order 3. So here matrix B is a scalar matrix of order 3. Then the next is identity matrix. Identity matrix. So if a square matrix has all the diagonal elements as 1, then it is called as an identity matrix. Suppose so if a square matrix has all its diagonal elements as 1, if a square matrix has all its diagonal elements as 1 only, then the matrix is called as an identity matrix. Then it is an identity matrix. For example, if we take so an identity matrix, it is always represented by capital I. So it is represented always. It is always represented by capital I. So we can write the identity matrix of the order 3, suppose. So identity matrix of the order 3, it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So it is an It is an identity matrix of order 3. Yeah. Then the next type is zero matrix. Zero matrix, or it is called as null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. So if any matrix has all its entries as zeros, then it is called as a zero matrix or null matrix. So if all the elements in a matrix are zeros, then it is called a zero matrix. Zero matrix. For example, we can say that suppose the matrix O. So it is always represented by the matrix O. So O is equal to, suppose I write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So then it is a zero matrix of the order 2 cross 3, since it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So it means that it is a zero matrix or the null matrix of the order 2 cross 3. So hence we can summarize from the diagonal matrix to the zero matrix as, so if A equal to Aij n cross n and Aij equals to 0, if I not equal to j, then the matrix A is called a diagonal matrix. The matrix A is called as a diagonal matrix. And then if I tell, suppose the matrix B, it is equal to Bij m cross n, where Bij that is equal to 0 for all values of I goes from 1 to n. All values of I goes from 1 to m, and j goes from 1 to n. Then the matrix B is a zero matrix of the order m cross n. The matrix B is a zero matrix or the null matrix of the order m cross n. And here I have told it is a Aij is n cross n. So A is called a diagonal matrix of the order n, we should say. Okay. Then if suppose I tell the matrix A, it is equal to Aij n cross n, where Aij equal to 0 if I not equal to j, and Aij equal to some constant k if I equal to j for some constant k, then the matrix A will be called as a scalar matrix. Then the matrix A is a scalar matrix. The scalar matrix of the order n. Then the next is that if we have the matrix A, it is equal to Aij n cross n where aij equal to 0 if I not equal to j and aij equal to 1 if I equal to j, then the matrix A is called as a identity matrix of the order n. So it means that the matrix A, I should write it as I instead of A, since it is since identity matrix should be always represented by capital I. So then the matrix I is called an identity matrix, is called an identity matrix of the order n. So hope you have understood the concepts. Thank you.